Hey, Mr. Smellyard, you better draw a nice picture of me, okay?
Okay, I'm on it. Hi there, and welcome at Smelly Art. A few months ago, my son and I made a video where I turned one of his drawings into a finished illustration. If you want to see that one again, I will link it down below in the comment section. But that was so much fun, we decided to make another one. And you just saw in the previous clip already a preview of what he drew. I will show it to you again. This is his drawing, and you can see it's some kind of mud monster. So yeah, I'm going to have a go at that one. So let's see how that goes. Let's get drawing. And there you have it, a finished illustration of a mud monster originally designed by my son Giel. We had so much fun on this project, my son and I, that this will certainly be not the last time we will do some kind of collaboration on this channel. But we are also very happy with the result. I'm quite sure this will end up in his room, this illustration. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. What kind of illustration or drawing challenge would you like me to do in future videos? Please let me know in the comment section. If you like the content of this video, maybe it's a good idea to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you won't miss any content I put up in the future. It would mean a lot. High resolution versions of all my drawings can be found on deviantart.com/smully. And if you like to stay in touch through social media, you can follow me there as well. You can find all links down below in the comment section. That's it for now. We'll see each other again next Friday for a new Smully Art video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.